Lesson 6 is asking you to take written sentences and translate them into actual equations. Sometimes this may seem easy and sometimes hard, but it is really important to understand this lesson for later on in Algebra B when you are dealing with word problems. You have to be able to interpret words in terms of equations. So if you're given a statement such as decrease the variable x by 5, you write your x, and if you're decreasing it by 5, what you're doing is you're taking 5 away from it. Now, it's really important that you pay attention to the order that things are written, because if you were to write 5 minus x, that's wrong. The order matters. You get a completely different answer. Now, there's ones that are longer, and all you need to do is just break them down piece by piece to try and make sense of them. So here you have the product of x and 4. So product means multiply. So all you do here is you say x multiplied by 4. And then it's divided by 3. So you take your whole product and you divide it by 3. That's all this statement is saying. You need to remember that when it's written sum, S-U-M, that's the same as adding. The difference is subtracting. Product is multiplying. And if you're given the word quotient, that means division. Now you're being asked to do the opposite. So you're given an equation such as xy plus 5. And you're asked to write this out in sentence form. There's a couple ways that it would still be correct. But the way I chose to write it is 5 added to the product of x and y. So you're increasing the product of x and y by 5. That would be another way to do it. Increase the product of x and y by 5. So just make sure that when you write it out, it makes sense in terms of the equation that you've been given.